Watch him, watch him, watch him. He's getting close. 70! Oh my god, 70! He's picking up crows! Oh wow. They're coming back! Why? Watch him, watch him, watch him. So cute, the way he just comes up. That was like Grandpa right there. Who's your daddy? Apparently that. I didn't see that! I'm scared they're gonna like attack or something. I'm not going to attack. But I don't know. That would be bad. Come home with a patch on eye. What happened to your eye? Oh, we got attacked by seagulls. Or pigeons, or... Let's name them. That one. Which one? Johnny Cash. Okay. The big one is... The big one is... Big Papa Punk. Big Papa Punk? Yeah. Big Papa Punk. Uh-huh. That's Granddaddy. Okay, what's that one? The feisty one? I don't know. That's the feisty one because his feathers are all ruffled. We call him Foxy. No, that's the girl's name. Call him Mick Jagger. Hey! It's the sun! It is the sun. Woo! The sun. Now we know what to do when the sun goes out. Eat! Or the sun goes away. No, come back. Okay, battery flashing.